Hi guys, this is 2010 Nissan Elgrand. Today we're going to do the repairs for the spark plugs. You can see in here spark plug. This is a 4-cylinder. So you can see the part number on the spark plug. So we need to off this cover. So underneath is 3 screws in there, the 10mm bolts. We already off that the screws. Okay, you can take it out. Okay, here the spark plugs coil packs. We had 4 coil pack and the 4 spark plugs. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to off this 10mm bolts to take it out with the spark plugs. Okay, we need for the number 14 the plug books. So take it out the spark plugs. Okay, going to take it out for the spark plugs. Because iridium plug. Okay, here's the new spark plug. TILKAR6A11. Okay, you can see the tips. Okay, you can see the different of the spark plug. Okay, we can see the gap. As a new spark plug is the 1.1 millimeter. Okay, we need use the coil pack to put back the spark plug. It's an easy way, not in the damage for the tips. Okay, here's the coil, it's the part number. Okay, we installed all this spark plug, and if you can tight for the torque wrench with all spark plugs 25 Newton meter. So okay guys, finally we installed all the 4 spark plug. Now we're going to start the car. All good, car is running fine. Okay guys, finally we installed all the car back together. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.